Let's take this toy out.
Well, as our last thing today from our Hot Wheels fun with cars jumping over fire and egg surprises and no more fire, yes. We're gonna do the 4 high-speed crash zones. Okay, fire marshmallows. We love marshmallows, which is called s'mores. We're gonna do criss-cross crash. We need 4D batteries for these. We'll get it later.
You get it.
Show your red car. Show everybody your red car.
This is my favorite.
This is your favorite car? Why?
I buy that.
Okay.
I didn't. I did it.
And that's a what? A Dodge?
Dodge.
Can I see it again?
Charger. These have batteries? No.
Can I see it closer? Thanks. Beautiful.
I'll put it right here.
Good job.
You need to fix it. I'm gonna try it. This spinning round circle.
Alex, have you ever seen batteries this big?
Which way?
Which way?
Here?
Well, this one goes. That one goes like this. To build it, you have to look at the letters. So we have a B. Now we have to find B here. And this will go there.
5.
Wow, you have 5 cars?
Yeah, I got it.
I see 4 cars.
Yo, I have one too.
No, he counted this car too.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you have all the cars.
You have all the cars that you need to play, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
They do these. Yeah, one nearby.
Are we having fun today?
Yeah. Ah!
Wait, now we're gonna connect these.
Hey, look, fall down. Abby. I picked a fire.
You what?
A fire to be. Huh? We'll try it out later. Need bell first. I don't want for this.
Ready? You put 2, I put 2. Safety, that's You said that's safe. He hit him. I think we need to get the police.
No!
There was an accident. this is Criss-Cross Crash. It's from 5+. Even though Alex is 3, we think with adult supervision he can definitely play with it.
Alrighty, bye, Sweetie Fellas. Bye.
Say bye. Hope you had fun. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.